Today is Saturday, May 22nd. We're finishing up the teardown on the MerCruiser 3-liter engine block. We removed the main bearings, the cam bearings, freeze plugs, oil dipstick tube, and did some general cleanup. Got only a couple little pieces left. And this oil galley plug is a bit of a puzzler. It's an odd size square drive. It's not 3/8 and it's not a quarter. But we found this tap that has the right size square on the end of it. And we're just going to drive it into the hole. And spin it out with a wrench. And now we can drive the oil galley plug out the other end. Now we'll just take this 5-foot long drill bit and just drive that plug out the other end. One of the last problems we're facing is a broken off starter motor mounting bolt. This was broken off by the previous owner or his mechanic. We're going to try welding a nut on there and see if we can use that to unscrew the bolt. I won't be able to film actually welding because it'll destroy my camera. Although maybe if I look through a welding helmet it will work. Go! Okay, we filled it with weld. We'll see if we can use that to break the bolt loose. Yeah, that didn't work. Okay, we're going to try again. This time we're going to weld a washer to the part of the bolt that's still sticking up. And we'll weld a nut to the washer and see if that holds better. Alright, he welded a washer to the edge of the bolt and then welded a nut on top of the washer. Let's see if we can get this to break loose.
Don't taste so sweet either. Here, you can have that.
There it is. Another miracle.
You have the back.
A broken off bolt with a washer and a nut welded on the top. Out it comes.
Oh, so you made...
Going to use a slide hammer to pull the metal tube that goes into the oil pump. So all that's left is the oil filter mounting stud and the bypass valve. No clue how these come out. But that's the last of the pieces for the engine disassembly. We'll see how that goes. The engine is back on its stand. We've got one more day to finish the disassembly and it's off to the machine shop. Today is Monday, May 31st. It's Memorial Day. I hope you all are enjoying your holiday and remembering those who died serving our country. We finished tearing down the engine as far as we could go. We were able to remove the oil filter fitting and the oil filter bypass valve. The only thing we weren't able to remove is the locating pins in the block deck for the cylinder head. That requires a specialty tool we don't have, so we're going to let the machine shop deal with that. But we are ready to send the engine off to the machine shop, so we'll be bagging it up today and sending it off. The gasket surfaces have all been scraped down. Alright, the engine's in the bag. off the stand, away to the machine shop.